My name is Oren Dvoskin. I'm excited to join OPSWAT as Vice President for OT and Industry Marketing. In my role, I'll lead product marketing, channel development, tech partnerships, and analyst relations while offering customers a hands-on approach to help protect their critical infrastructures and networks against cyber attacks. I'm thrilled to join OPSWAT because of the company's completeness of vision and holistic offerings for critical infrastructure protection. Prior to OPSWAT, I was Global Marketing Director at Sasa Software. I have over 10 years of experience in business leadership positions in cybersecurity companies protecting critical and industrial organizations. I have a previous extensive career in software R&D, including in the Israeli Air Force. I'm thrilled to join OPSWAT because of their completeness of vision and holistic approach for critical infrastructure protection. OPSWAT is truly a premier organization that's hyper-focused on finding their customers the right solution for their problems. From threat prevention to compliance, remote access, network security monitoring, and even awareness and training. OPSWAT is leaping forward, truly investing in zero-trust technologies, R&D, with over 300 engineers, acquisitions, and even empowering the human resource through the OPSWAT Academy. I'm proud to be part of the team and to contribute to OPSWAT's accelerated growth. So please join me in this journey. I'll love to hear what your needs are, so please reach out. Thank you.